What's that? What's this? Yeah, what is it? What is it?
Here's a test. To see if she's left-handed or right-handed. Puts it back on the left hand. It's confirmed. She's left-handed.
Here, wait, I draw this one.
Press.
Look, what's the one?
No,
What
draw
is
over there.
Press.
You don't have nothing to press.
Call. Somebody call you. Who call you? Who call? Say hello. Say hello. Who's that? Who's there? Knock, knock, knock.
Who's that? Who's on the phone?
Go.
Call? For who? For you? Type. Show everyone how you type.
How iCarly doing? iCarly doing good? Huh?
Where's iCarly on your shirt? Right here. Who's this?
I know, she know.
Who's this? Michaela.
Okay, go on internet. Go on computer. You chat with iCarly? Good job.
Look,
Chat with iCarly. You talk to iCarly? By chat?
Joe.
Oh, no? Okay, so what you doing on computer then?
You got a petting zoo in our backyard.
You need bread? I go get bread, okay? Wait, I go get bread.
Close the screen door.
No, it's okay, babe.
Oh.
I give to the bird and I give to Michaela too. Yeah, this.
Mẹ. Mẹ.
Don't throw away.
Mẹ. Mẹ. Mẹ.
They don't want water. Oh, they're dancing. Dancing. Dancing.